All right, let's jump right in. Today, we are talking about a really fascinating drink with a pretty epic name, the Crimson Elixir. Now, the source material we're looking at presents this as a super powerful, root-based detox. So we're going to break it all down, the big claims, what's actually in it, and the whole idea behind it. So right out of the gate, the source material makes a huge claim. This isn't just another health drink you see on the shelf. It's being framed as something, well, something bigger. And here it is, in their own words, the ultimate detox drink. I mean, that word ultimate is doing some serious work there, isn't it? It kind of suggests this is the end-all be-all of detox drinks. So what's it supposed to actually do? Well, they don't just leave you hanging with that big promise. They give this ultimate drink a very, very specific job: liver cleansing. So, the whole mission here is liver cleansing. And according to the source, this is the entire reason the Crimson Elixir exists. It's all about a detox process that's fueled completely by the ingredients inside the drink itself. Okay, so if the goal is cleansing the liver, then what's the solution? Well, it all comes down to what's actually inside this elixir. Which, of course, leads us to the big question, right? You hear ultimate detox drink, and you immediately want to know what's powering that promise. What's the secret sauce? And you know what? The answer is surprisingly simple. The power of this whole thing apparently comes down to just 4 key ingredients. That's it. Not a long, complicated list, just a very focused, simple recipe. So let's get into it. What are these 4 core components? Let's break them down one by one.
First up, we've got beetroot. No surprise there, that's where it gets that crimson meme.
Next, you have the classic, carrot.
Then there's ginger, which you know is going to add that nice spicy kick.
And finally, lemon. It's the only one that's not a root, and it brings that sharp, citrusy punch to tie it all together. And there you have it: beet, carrot, ginger, and lemon. According to the source, these 4 ingredients are the foundation for the entire Crimson Elixir.
So we've got the ingredients, but how do they go from being just, well, vegetables and fruit to an elixir? It's all about how they're brought together.
And the process? It's presented as being incredibly easy. You just start with those 4 ingredients, you create a blend, and that's it. That's the Crimson Elixir. The focus on the word blend makes it sound like anyone could do this. And this really gets us to the core idea. This isn't just a random mix of healthy things. It's specifically called a powerful root-based combination. 3 of the 4 main ingredients are literally roots, and that seems to be the whole point. And that really leaves us with a pretty cool question to think about, doesn't it? After all the big claims and seeing these simple, earthy ingredients, you have to wonder, could the so-called ultimate detox really be something so fundamental? Something that is quite literally root-based?